Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today I've got a lot of cleaning to do. I've got some grocery shopping to do, a cook with me. We're just going to try and get it all done. All right, sheets have been changed. I need to wash laundry now. So I have that big comforter there. I have my basket overflowing there. Stuff piled up here, there, everywhere. So let's head downstairs and take care of laundry. Wait. Here's my indoor thermometer. It says outdoors it's 56 with 96% humidity. Okay. Here is my outdoor, or my outdoor remote thing. It says it is 56, feels like 56, it's 58, it's cloudy, we had some rain. The wind direction is north-northwest, west-northwest. I like it that it's moving. Indoor is 66 with 54% humidity. Outdoor has 94% humidity, 54 degrees. I like it. All right, so I am going to put in a load of laundry and then go to the store and just get a couple of items to make my taco Dorito thing because I'm craving it. And I have a lot of the ingredients already, so that saves the bank. And I'm only going to get that because I'm going to BJ's tomorrow, hopefully after work, and get, you know, just some good sides and maybe a meat and just a few things just to get me through for the next few weeks before I do a good bulk shopping. Let's do a load of laundry. Yay me. All right, so now I have a small grocery haul. My total was, well, I had to go back once. I went once, forgot, I got everything except for the Doritos. Looked at my list, got things that weren't on my list. I take a list so I can stick to it, but things start sounding good. All right, so 37, we'll round it up, 38 plus 5. 43 bucks. Again, I'd love to spend $40 on my tacos. All right, so I did get a huge thing of bath tissue because I needed some. I don't usually buy this brand, but it was the cheapest one they had. So I said, okay, we'll do that. 12-pack of their sodas. That was not on my list, but I was like, there's no way I can have tacos and not have a nice, crisp, bubbly soda with it. Oh, it's so good. Excuse me, sir. So, I got cleaner to do my floors. I got the party size Doritos. They were on sale, probably the football sale. I now remember why I wanted to go to BJ's on Friday, because they had a 36-pack of cola for like, actually it was Pepsi, name brand, for, I think I could have gotten it for like $12 or $13, maybe less than that with a coupon. And Super Bowl's today, so probably when I check tomorrow, it's not going to be on sale. So that's another reason why I bought these, just to get me through until I find another good sale, in case they're not. All right, lettuce for the tacos. This is more than getting ahead of lettuce, but it's convenience. I will pay a couple of cents extra for convenience. I need these for in the morning to get somebody to go into his CRATE. And did the poo-poo! Did the what? I got pre-shredded lettuce, 22 cents more than the block. Again, convenience. These were not on my list, but I got them. They're sliced black olives. I want to add those this time. And I got 16 ounces of sour cream, so I can really load it on. And then I just have these down. I should have, still pretty frozen. I'm going to put it out. Here's my meat that I'm going to cook up tonight for the, whatever they're called. And I'm going to get back to laundry, move my stuff over to the dryer, put in another load into the washer, and then we're going to get started on the floors. Alright guys, that's probably going to be it for today's video. I'm just going to sit here and that is still damp. I am going to fold clothes and wind down, have some dinner, watch the Taylor Swift show, the Super Bowl, and I look forward to seeing you again on Tuesday. I'll see you then. Bye.